Hi, I'm Christina Baricelli, Hairdo brand ambassador, and here to teach you quick and easy ways that you can use hair extensions and hair accessories to complete your look. This is the Simply Straight 18-inch wraparound pony. Every girl needs a great ponytail, and how many times have you been underwhelmed with yours? Well, let me show you the tricks of the trade and how to get this ponytail in a snap, making a perfect polished look. First, you want to decide on where you're wearing your ponytail. Gather your hair and secure it with an elastic band. Start by tucking the 3-prong comb just underneath your elastic band. Then grab the free end and wrap it around your ponytail. The other side has the wraparound feature. You want to take that and secure it down. Grab it from underneath and wrap around your ponytail to camouflage the seams. Now use a bobby pin to keep it in place. There you go. Enjoy your beautiful ponytail.